Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unhide posts on Facebook application. So first of all, of course, you'd like to go and download Facebook application, or if you don't have it on your phone, of course, you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you'd like to go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So let me just go here and launch my Facebook application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So here, that will be your home or slash main screen, of course. And if you want to hide posts, so for first of all, let me just go and hide a post, because for me I have no hidden posts yet. So I go to any post I want to hide, click at the three dots at the top right corner of the post. Then as you can see here, I have the option here called hide post. So see fewer posts like this. So for me, I'm just gonna click at hide here. So of course, posts hidden, you won't see this post on your feed. Of course, you can snooze this like for 30 days, snooze the page for 30 days, report the post, or manage your feed. So if you click at manage your feed, you can like here do whatever you want. So from of course the activity log, which you can get access to by clicking at the three lines here at the top right corner. So if you go and click on that, you will find here an option at the top right corner as a settings icon, or you can just go scroll down here and click at settings and privacy, then click at settings. So here you would like to scroll down a bit until you find, so let me just go here, yeah, keep scrolling down until you find this activity log. So just go and click on that, and wait, let me just click at X. So here of course you'll find everything here. So sidebar on the left, of course, select logged actions on and other activities. So here, if you scroll down, you'll find activities you're tagged in, interactions, group, community events, personal informations, connections, logged actions, or you have here view activity history. So here you will actually find, let me just go and click on filters. You can here find categories. If you didn't have here unhide post, just go back, because you can actually have it there. So here, after going back, you'd like to go here until you find this logged actions and other activities, as we said early on. Then click on it. Of course, here scroll down until you find this option, which is hidden from profile. After clicking on that, of course, here if you go, as you can see here, you'll find that I have no hidden posts from my profile. Wait, sorry, I just clicked on something randomly. So if you click at hidden from my profile, if you didn't find here, that means actually we didn't hide the post maybe, or the post didn't got saved like hidden. So let me just go refresh. Let me just maybe hide another post here. So yeah, let's just click at hide post. So of course, if you want to unhide the post, you can just go and click at undo here and it's back, but we don't want to do that. So let's just go click at hide. We can click at hide all from this, or we can just go and click at hide post. So let's just do the same as we did. Settings, activity log, where is it? Activity log, here is it. Scroll down until we find the logged in action, another activity. Click at hidden from profile, and as well we're still having this no item. So no item, so I guess it's actually just bugged. You will actually find here the posts that you actually hide. So all you need to do, just go and click at the three dots next to the posts and choose add to profile from the menu, and you will be good to go. So that will be actually for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.